Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential morning market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's your executive summary. Markets are weighing political shifts and policy uncertainty as Democrats surge in regional elections while the Supreme Court scrutinizes Trump's tariff authority. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency rebounds from October lows, flight disruptions loom from government shutdown staffing pressures, and political gridlock threatens critical funding negotiations. Let's dig into the details, starting with the policy landscape shaping markets. 2 days ago, on November 4th, Democrats swept Virginia and New Jersey gubernatorial races, plus New York City's mayoral contest, with a singular focus: affordability. Former Representatives Abigail Spanberger in Virginia and Mickey Sherrill in New Jersey won by double digits, outperforming their polls. According to Fox News voter data, economy-focused voters broke significantly for Democrats, a dramatic shift from 2024 when inflation concerns powered Republican victories. Vice President Vance acknowledged the reality. Republicans must make life affordable or face consequences in 2026. These results underscore how economic messaging continues dominating voter behavior heading into next year. That economic anxiety intersects with massive policy uncertainty on tariffs. During Wednesday oral arguments, the Supreme Court heard challenges to Trump's tariff strategy. Conservative justices Barrett and Sotomayor pressed the administration's lawyer with skepticism about presidential tariff powers under emergency law. Barrett questioned repeatedly whether the statute's language actually grants tariff authority, while Sotomayor noted no president has ever used this emergency law for tariffs before. Betting markets reflected the skepticism immediately. Trump's odds of winning plummeted from 45% before arguments to just 27% by day's end on Kalshi. With trillions in trade relationships hanging in the balance, this legal outcome could reshape market positioning significantly. On assets, Bitcoin is back above the critical psychological support level of $103,000 after a brutal October decline. JPMorgan's Nikolaos Panagurtsoglou called Bitcoin cheap relative to gold on a volatility-adjusted basis, projecting significant upside over the next 6 to 12 months. The cryptocurrency hit an all-time high of $126,000 on October 5th, before collapsing more than 20% by month-end, driven by massive deleveraging in perpetual futures markets and a $128 million theft from DeFi protocol balancer. This technical reset could provide entry points for institutional buyers positioned on the sidelines. On operational disruptions, Transportation Secretary Duffy announced 10% flight capacity cuts at 40 airports beginning Friday due to staffing pressures during the government shutdown. That's approximately 1,800 flights getting axed according to aviation analytics. Air traffic controllers and TSA officers continue working without pay, and Duffy warned that a prolonged shutdown could trigger mass chaos. He'll release the specific airport list Thursday. Meanwhile, the House Republican Study Committee endorsed a short-term funding bill into January, but explicitly rejected extending Obamacare subsidies, complicating Senate negotiations and prolonging funding uncertainty. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. See you at the opening bell.